yeah, let's unbox the Echo 4 puzzle by Yuu Asaka, an evil genius. Yuu Asaka says this is a level 2.5 out of 5. I'm not sure Yuu Asaka is considering people who are mere mortals like me and you. Maybe you are a genius, but I don't think I am. So I gotta put all the pieces in the frame, and there is no solution in the package. The target time is 20 minutes. Ooh. Super neat little packaging. Echo 4 Yuu Asaka. Really high quality made, which is a big part of the appeal, I think, of used puzzles. And let's take this out. So there's 2 blue pieces, quite simple looking, and 2 white pieces, quite simple looking too. I'm gonna start a timer immediately, and let's try and see like what is the main difference between them. And I already see that the white pieces are a bit longer than the blue pieces. If I put them one on top of the other, you can see it as well. These rounded corners make me feel really uncomfortable, because just know what he can do with rounded corners. Like, I'm super afraid of rounded corners when it comes to puzzles. Let's also see if this is really a square, because my intuition says it's not really a square. So how do we measure this? So, okay, this is how we measure it. So here, this is how it looks, and I think here, yeah, this is much longer than that. This is like one less tooth to it, this side, than this. Not sure how much exactly, but I'm sure this will be important. Fitting all the pieces inside from now, I guess that would be a complete waste of time, because that's just how Yuu Asaka thinks. This guy is like, he thinks differently than anyone else on this world. Like, really, he just understood how we mere mortals think, and he just does whatever he wants to trick us. So I'm gonna give up on doing the normal things already and just start from the unusual weird shenanigans that I can pull off with this. Okay, this looks like an interesting start. There's no way this would be the solution. But the circle pieces are quite interesting to notice. The circles here. Maybe that's the biggest clue I can use. Check out how this skews a bit to the side. Maybe I can skew it somewhere else. Or maybe I can use this to skew it. Another thing to see here, to notice, is the ending of each of the pieces. So this ends with a triangle, and this ends with a square. Definitely, this is part of the trick. Like, there's no other way. There's no other way. This is definitely part of a, you evil bastard. You evil bastard, Yuu Asaka. You're such a genius. Quite a shocking one, I must say, and I really love Yuu Asaka, but this time you've done it, man. And if you enjoyed it too, click here to see me solve another cool Yuu Asaka puzzle.